Question number 6. In a survey about the number of siblings in a college student, the following probability was constructed. Notice that the following probability. So I'm giving you the probability. I don't want to find the probability of them. For example, the probability that I have 0 siblings is 0.25. I don't say 0.5 over total. I don't have total here. I wanted to find the probability that it has at least 2. When I have at least 2, it means like greater than or equal to 2. 2, 3, and 4. So I'm going to add the probability of having 2, which is 0.21, and the probability of having 3, which is 0.10, plus probability of having 4, which is 0.10, which is equal 41. And I don't have to divide, or I don't have to find the total number. It's 0.41. If I wanted to find it as a percentage, it's a 41% by multiplying by 100. For the question number 7, it's the same, but I wanted to have at most 2 siblings. When I have at most 2 siblings, so it means like the number is smaller than 2 or equal? Yes. So it's smaller than or equal. So I have at least and I have at most. So when at least I don't have any siblings, or I have 1 sibling, or I have what? 2 siblings. So it's going to be 0.25 plus 0.31 plus 0.21, which is equal 0.77, which is C. For number 8, what is the probability that an arrow will land on odd number? Notice that this is a spinner. When you spin the spinner, I have here, sometimes I'm dividing the spinner into colors. Sometimes I'm dividing the spinner into numbers, arranging consecutive numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. I may write 10, 20, 3, and 5. I may choose the numbers. But here, the outcomes or the sample space I have is to reach 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Or the spin stand at 1 or 2 or 3 or 5. What the probability to be stand on odd? How many odd number? 1, 2, 3. So 3 out of. What the probability of even? I'm going to add one question here. What the probability of even? 2 out of. What the probability of having prime? Who can remind me what are the prime numbers? 1 is a prime? No. 2 is a prime? 3 is prime, and 5 is? So it's going to be 3 out of.